A group of students embarks on a project to create a short film based on a classic novel. However, their lack of communication and coordination leads to a series of missteps, jeopardizing the success of the project.
Good afternoon, class. Apologies for great day. Since we don't have much time left, give yourself a report and discuss whether the entire film can be presented like this. Thank you, goodbye. Hey, Jazzy, Maria, and what's your name again? Hannah. Yeah, Hannah. I'm the new student here. I'm from New Zealand, and I'm new here. So, do you agree that we should be the same? Well, of course, no choice.
So since we have been looking at the film project, what should be our plan?
I think tackle about the formation.
That's a good idea since it's very about here in our city. How about your
Well, I guess we're good. So we'll just, messenger or just text me.
Later after that, Maria is sitting and furiously typing away on her tablet, writing the script without consulting the rest of the group. Jeneline, on the other hand, starts to write the script for their documentary film and checks them one by one to see if it's right. However, she got confused and bewildered, so she picked up her phone and sends a text message to the group chat asking for input in the script. But she receives no response.
Wow, they left me no response. Oh my god, this is so frustrating.
At the same time, Johanna ramages through her collection of props, assuming that someone else will take care of gathering the necessary items.
I'm sure someone will handle the props. I'll just focus on finding perfect location.
On the next day, Jassy, frustrated with the lack of communication, decides to take charge and assigns rules to everyone in the group.
Alright guys, we need to get alright. Leah, we are trying to Cassie, Julie, you handle the props, and Hannah, find the location. And I'll take care of the casting.
Afterwards, the group gathers to discuss their progress, but tensions arise as they realize their lack of coordination.
Wait, I thought we agreed on a different community film. Why did you change it?
I never received any input from you guys. I thought my version was fine.
I assumed someone else will handle the props. I didn't know I was supposed to do it.
We need to communicate better and listen to and make sure we're on the same page.
This dialogue is much what I wrote. Did you make some changes without telling me?
I thought if we did some adjustments, it goes better this way.
We should have discussed these changes beforehand. It's causing delays.
I should have made sure we're all on the same page. That's what we can have and make the best effort to do.
Okay, we have a choice. The footage doesn't match the vision we had. It's all over the place.
We should have stopped with the original script. We need to change possible areas.
We need to solve this what we can and find a way to make it better.
Next time, we need to communicate and collaborate better. This time on mistakes. Where are the members of the union?
You mom, what's the problem?
I have seen your outfit and I am not quite satisfied. I have seen so many graphic tools and I wanted to ask why. Why there are changes?
We had some miscommunications within our group and it affected our decision. We learned the importance of effective communication.
You should have stuck with the original version and communicated better. Coordination.
We've learned from our mistake and we'll make sure to communicate and collaborate more effectively in the future.
Can you please be calm so we've learned global lessons? Let's make sure